Mercury, like the other planets, and especially Mercury and Venus, the inner ones, they are about getting in, kind of eating something, processing something, but also about giving it out and doing something to the world from our own personal perspective. So Mercury as a receiver is how we, through our nervous system and the neurons mostly in the brain, but also through other senses like touch, like touching something with our hands or with our skin, with our body, we are going to initially process what comes our way as information from the environment. And the word environment here is really important. The immediate environment, what surrounds you and it's close by, like the sun is close to Mercury. That's how we also have like a perimeter. We receive, we eat that sort of information, and we strengthen in the process our ability through the brain to process that for our own advantage. This is Mercury as Gemini initially. Mercury as Gemini, Mercury as the things that happen in the third house, is so much about orientation in the environment. But this orientation is just receptors through the brain, through the nervous system. We still don't give any value judgment to what's going on around us. We just process it in, we get it in. Mercury and Venus together, they are very special because they are located in the solar system inside the orbit of the Earth. That makes them a different kind of beast from all the rest of the planets, from Mars onwards, all the way up to Pluto. And their motion in the sky, their position in the birth chart, has to be studied slightly differently, I believe, than the other planets, because these two have a very inner personal connotation to them. Something about these two planets remains our own, your own.